What will you do when she drinks the sea? Drown her in sorrow or let her be free? When she's upset, all of her heart is cold. What will you do when she eats the moon? Make her return it or give her a spoon? When she is full, all of her heart is warm. The mother made us a savage daughter who never begs for forgiveness. I always wondered why they all came back for more. What will you do when she takes your throne? Beg for her power or throw her a bone? All that she has traded for love is yours. What will you do when she takes off her clothes? Beg for her body or touch her soul? When you're alone, dreaming